Hello everyone. Write numbers from 0 to 7 and then starting off with number 0, make a little hat out of it. Decorate it as you please. Now starting with the number 1, you may start off by making a snowflake out of it. Add lines in all directions as such and then line it with the color blue. Now as for the number 2, make a small little glove out of it and then add the lines to it as well. Out of the number 3, make a little cloud and then add a cute little expression to it as well. Color each of these diagrams as you progress along with it. Now out of the number 4, make a small little window out of it that is circular in shape and then surrounded by a house. For the number 5, make a small little drink out of it and use the top of the number to make it look like a straw. Now moving on to the number 6, make a little swirly shape right beside it. It'll be a thread. As for the number 7, you will make a little sock out of it. Now we will be starting off by making a little swan bird. In order to do this, make the body and then make the long head. Add the eyes and don't forget to add the beak as well. Then add the wings. Put water underneath it, that is draw it on and then begin to color the beak. Now add a cloud-like shape onto a white sheet of paper. Right beside it, add another one, or you can do it on the other end of the paper as well. Then draw a rainbow and attach the two clouds together. On top of the rainbow, add the sun to it as well. Add a little cute smiley face to the sun along with its rays. Now underneath the rainbow, begin to draw this somewhat rectangular-like shape. Add a heart onto it and then add two little handles to it. This will be a watering can. Underneath it, add lots of flowers around and then you may also add some grass. Don't forget to add the stems of each of these flowers and then attach some leaves to it. Next, start off by drawing the semicircular shape, add a face to it and then on top of this face, add a little crown. Then underneath it, add a dress to it as well as hands and legs. However, this is not the way you draw a princess. Instead, start off by drawing an opposite V shape on a piece of paper and make it slightly curvier than usual. Then, as part of the face, add the eyes, leave out little two circles before coloring the entire thing in. This will make it look like the eyes are glistening. Then move on to the dress, make the skirt very puffy as such to make it look all the more better. Once you are done drawing the dress, add on the hands and then add on the hair. Make the hair very long and beautiful. On top, add a crown. Next, on a sheet of paper, add on multiple semicircular shapes as such. On one of the ends, draw the head of a turtle and then on the main portion of it, draw the back of a turtle. That is, draw the semi-hexagonal shape and then connect it to the circle. For the second shape, make a small little mouse out of it, add the whiskers, add the ears and then add the tail. Now for our last drawing, make a little porcupine out of it. Draw the little thorns on the body and then color it in. Next, start off by drawing a hand, but however, this is not how you do it. Make sure that the fingers are elongated. Start off by drawing the pointer finger, then draw the middle, and then slowly put one into the other as such. Make it almost like a 9 shape. This will help you cover the nails really well as well. Once you draw the thumb, connect it at the bottom. Next, we will be drawing an eye. However, that is not how you draw it. Firstly, draw a curved line at the top. Then, make a small line connecting to the bottom as such and then make it go almost to the other end. Now, as for the center pupil portion of it, make small shapes on the eye and then color around everything except for that portion of it. Next, add the eyelashes. For our next drawing, we will start off by making this particular shape. Now, add the bristles of a toothbrush to it. There you have yourself a toothbrush. On top of it, add your paste. Right beside it, add the tube of paste. Add the lid as well as the top and the bottom of it. That is the top sealed end and the bottom sealed end. Add a little design on it. We have added a leaf. Thank you for watching.